Hi everyone, welcome to simiswimstudio's YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Simone, aka simiswim, and this channel is all about creating and selling digital products using Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to make that passive income. Okay, and so if you're interested in starting and growing your online business, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I post new videos every week. You with my very first video on this YouTube channel, and it's going to be an unboxing video. We all love a good unboxing video, and today I'll be unboxing my brand new MacBook Pro. It is, I'm gonna read off the information right here, the brand new 13-inch MacBook Pro with M1 chip, 8GB unified memory, 256GB SD. Don't ask me what that means. I don't know, but I'm excited. I went to the store to pick it up today at the Queens City Center Mall, which was one of the few Apple locations that are actually still open during the quarantine. It was purchased online and I just went in. They sent me a thing that I can download to my Apple wallet to show that I was picking it up. And he checked my ID and he was like, dude, do you know that this computer has the M1 chip? And I was like, yeah, I know. And he was like, well, do you know about it? And I was like, a little bit. And he was like, well, let me tell you all about this shit because you about to be lit. And I was like, oh, snaps, for real? I guess you're here for me to unbox it, not to tell you my story. So let's get into it. Unboxing this thing, yes. Nice. We're gonna open it up. I wish I hadn't seen other videos to be able to say I was surprised to hear that it actually opens and starts on its own, but I did see other videos, so I can't even lie. But that is pretty cool. And we're gonna go with English. It's still loading. Like, I signed into my Apple ID and all my settings and information are going to be pretty much automatically set up on this computer, I guess. Now it's asking me to set up Siri.
Open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like?
Oh, I should talk to her in a more like down voice because I'm never that like chipper on my own. Like, hey Siri, what's my weather? What's the weather for the day? Right? Anyhow, that's good. Improve Siri dictation, share audio recordings. Hell no. Oh no, hell no. Oh no, no. Using Apple Pay with Touch ID to make purchases easily and securely right from your Mac. I don't need to be buying anything, Apple. However, I will set this up. At this point, this is when I really start to freak out because not only was my trackpad not working, I was also not seeing my cursor on the screen. And so I was just like, what the hell? I definitely bought a defective computer, and this sucks because I'm gonna have to go all the way back to the Apple store and blah blah blah. But fortunately, I was able to just hold down the power button and restart the computer, and everything worked out fine. It was able to reboot naturally and everything worked out. So if that happens to you and you're having this issue where you can't see your cursor on the screen and your trackpad's not working, just try to restart the computer, and once you do, everything should be smooth. I've had this computer for at least a month now, and I haven't had any problems with my cursor since. So yeah, back to the video. Alright, so I'm trying to sign into my Adobe Creative Cloud, right? Then it just shows me that all I need to do is press this button and continue. And then for the password, all I need to do is press this button and then continue. And I'm in. I like it. I like it. And the fact that I have all my documents already there, I still can't believe this is the fastest process of setting anything up ever. Open Creative Cloud. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. And I'm very excited about this new computer. I definitely need it. The last computer that I bought that was brand new was from 2014. And so I'm sure that the performance is gonna be crazy on the next level with this one. But I look forward to creating a lot of amazing content for you guys. If you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.